Here I have a Python list here. Now I want to iterate through it, and every time it iterates through an item, I want to remove that item if it's less than 5. Then I want to print that list. So normally you would expect output something like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. But when you actually output that code, you'll see that you're seeing a code base like this: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because when you are going through a list, let's say you are removing the first item. Okay, so Python immediately goes to the second item, that is index number 1. It already went through 0 index, so it will immediately go to the next index, which is 1. And here we modified the list, and after modifying it, we're seeing that 3 becomes 0, 4 becomes 1. So immediately Python will iterating through 4. As 4 is lesser than 5, it will remove that number and 3 will be avoided, and it will give the output of 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it's a grave mistake in Python code in any programming language, because you are modifying a list while going through the iteration of the list. So don't ever do that. Don't ever remove or append any item while you are going through a loop, because that will interfere with the indexing of that list.